Hi, this is Craig Doty with CarpetRestretchingNJ.com. Do you have bubbles, buckles, or ripples in your carpet? You know they don't belong there, and they look bad. They're a dangerous tripping hazard, and they're causing premature damage and wear to your carpet. You need to protect your investment. Let the professionals at CarpetRestretchingNJ.com make your carpets look like new again. We repair damage caused by storms, pets, children, even Uncle Bob. Call us today for a free estimate and potential same-day service. Or visit our website at CarpetRestretchingNJ.com.